Hey guys, it's Miss Carrier. I'm going to be guiding you through PowerPoint Module 5 today, so just hop on board. There's a lot of really cool stuff in this lesson, so pay close attention. If you are using the online app, you're pretty much not going to be able to do any of this, so you're just going to need to watch this video, and if you have the desktop app, then it should work perfectly for you. All right, first we're going to hop in and select slide 9. We're going to delete that slide right out, so we can right-click and delete. And then it says that we need to move slide 4 between 7 and 8. So let's just click and drag that down and pop it right in there. So it's pretty easy to move these slides around. Now it says we're going to duplicate slide 3. So let's hop up here and right click, duplicate. And then it says we're going to hide slide 3 and unhide slide 2. So let's go ahead and right click and hide on 3. Right click and hide, which is going to pop that too. You can see that little slash disappeared. So now that one is good to go. All right, moving on. We're going to start working with sections a little bit. These will come in handy as you start to print and do some things like that, like Zoom links. So we're going to rename the start section to introduction. All right. And then we're going to come add a couple more sections. So we're going to come down here between 4 and 5 and add a section called CSA Day. So let me click right here and add a section. It's going to be called CSA Day. And then down here a little lower between 7 and 8, we are going to have another section. I'm just clicking so that there's a line and then right clicking and adding that section. And this one's called Fruit Selections. Guys, I know you're pausing me, no problem. You pause as much as you need to get this accomplished. All right, so that's how we are going to modify sections. Now we're going to create a custom slideshow. So you can do this as many times as you need to. If you're working for a company, there may be lots of different reasons why you would need a custom slideshow. So we're going to go in, and this one's actually going to be named Potential Donors. And it tells us exactly what slides to choose. So if we go back and look at that, it said 1, 2, 4, and 8. So 1, 2, 4, and 8, as well as 9, 10, 11, and 5. So we're going to click on those slides, 10, 11. Now notice 5 is this overview slide. So when we pop it in over here, this overview slide, it actually wants to be at the very end. All right, so it said in that order, and we click OK, and that part is finished. Very good. All right, just a couple things left here. We're going to work with Zoom links, which is a new feature. Did not have this feature when I was learning this in high school. And print settings. So let's go in on the first slide and add a Zoom link to slide 7. So go up to slide 1, go to Insert, go over to Zoom, and we're going to slide Zoom to slide 7. And it says to pop that in right underneath this subtitle. It looks like a thumbnail. And if you're on the live version of this, you're going to click on that. It'll take you right to that slide. And then it says that we are going to add a summary Zoom slide with links to these two as well. So summary Zoom, if we go back over here and we insert a Zoom, summary Zoom, we can choose the two slides here. It says we need to choose CSA Day and Fruit Selections. So we've got CSA Day and Fruit Selections, which actually is all of them, because it's not giving us any sections there. So you can select all of those, insert those in. Says that we can title this Zoom Summary Slides. I'm going to let you guys do that on your own time because I've just got a little bit of time left here to show you just a little bit about print. So when you go to print, you have several options. You can print by section. You can print the notes pages only, and it tells you can print those for certain slides. And you've got a few other options there for printing. So follow that closely when you're finishing this out. You can go ahead and when you're printing, just print to a PDF so that when that pops up, you can save that appropriately. And you have finished Module 5. Way to go. We've only got one module left. Good job.